The raid typically is the grand finale.
These days, drug dealers are losing more than the drugs and money in their pocket.
Whether it's their cash or their TVs that they're buying or their cars or whatever it is that they're using to further their drug trade, we're trying to take that away from them because we're trying to make it so it's not so profitable for them.
Months later, about 65% of that drug deal comes back to the agencies involved in the bust.
It's, $1,000 here, $500 there, but eventually it all adds up.
It's possible through the Illinois Drug Asset Forfeiture Procedure Act, established in 1990, but there's one condition.
And what's unique is the funds that we do seize, it has to go back for us to enforce the drug laws. We're able to use the drug dealer's money to buy the equipment that we need, and then we also use the money to go out and purchase drugs for undercover buys and such.
A combined force of drug enforcers in McDonough County make it happen.
It's not just McDonough County, Macomb Police, the Bushnell Police Department, Colchester Police Department, Blandinsville Police Department. They all have scratch in the game, so they help us, and when they have a problem, we're helping them as well.
The use of this drug money has given a boost to these local agencies in the fight against drugs, equipping them for the worst-case scenarios.
It's a dynamic entry tool. We can use that to break glass.
A couple of years ago, we fielded a strategic response team to help us when we're executing those search warrants or arrest warrants. Vests, radios, Kevlar helmets, rifles, everything that they need to be able to go out and do search warrants or arrest warrants.
When you have that kind of money, it gives you options on how you approach the problem.
This year alone, Macomb police have spent about $24,000 in drug money. The McDonough County Sheriff has spent about $22,000.
If this law was not in place, there would be no way that we could afford to buy the equipment that we have bought or be as proactive in the enforcement of drugs that we have.
Brooke Hash, KHQA News, Macomb.